Hey everyone, this is Justin from the Rap Institute, and I want to announce that we have a great new game. It's called the TWI Balloon Challenge. And the idea is that you're going to cut shapes out on the balloon, and if you don't pop the balloon, you're going to win this printed knife. And we actually just did a giveaway, or a charity drive, where we had 80 of these knives, and they sold out in 5 hours, $25 each, and all the money went to a really great charity. So the idea is we saved 15 knives left over for the TWI Balloon Challenge. And the idea is, if you go online, you can see the shapes that we want you to cut out. You can either cut out this shape, or 3 straight lines. You're going to take a piece of wrapping film, you're going to put it on the balloon, and you're going to cut those shapes out. The only thing is now is you have to actually videotape what you're doing. We have to see how you cut it on the balloon live, and if you're the first 15 people to submit that video at Rap Institute, at Instagram or Facebook, we will send you this knife for free right to your shop. So you're going to get this knife if you do the balloon challenge, which is super awesome, because if you can cut the wrapping material on the balloon, that shows you got really good cutting skills. That shows that you're a great rapper. So hope you take advantage of this, because again, cutting games are super fun, especially if you win a really cool knife. Thanks.
And here are the shapes that need to be cut out. Either 1, 2, or 3, and any type of wrap film can be used on the balloon. Send the video of you successfully cutting out these shapes on the balloon to Facebook at Rap Institute or Instagram at Rap Institute. The first 15 submissions wins the knife, so be sure to do it as soon as we announce the contest. For more information, go to www.rapinstitute.com. Hope you win.